So I flew all the way back to Hawaii on Sunday, and I got home. I turned on my computer, and it blew up. The power supply unit literally had sparks coming out of it. It's done. It's over. So today we had to trade on my Apple, and I've never traded on my Apple before. I did not have Bookmap. I didn't have 5 screens. I literally had my MacBook Pro to look at one trading view chart, and then I had Step Trader platform to trade on as well. We made over $3,000 in the step 2 of the combine today, and I also locked in over $500 in profit in my funded account as well. I'm going to break down all the action, all the fun right here in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. The chart, we traded this live on YouTube. This is my funded account right here, locking and buying 3 contracts for this pushback above the 40s. I'm a little skeptical of trading right now because I don't have the Bookmap. I don't have my normal setup. I don't have my normal charts. All I really have is one trading view chart, and then I have the Topstep trader platform, Trade-Evate here. So this move, we pulled back to the 30s. I talked about it on the live stream. I was like, I'm going to get long off of this 30 level. We had the pivot points there. You can see jumping in there at the 34s and selling for this push up there to the 40s. I did feel like we were a little overextended in general just after this big move up, but we crushed it in general. We crushed it in general. You can see here in the top step, and you can see here in the step 2, getting long there at 32 and taking profit there at 40.75. So today, locking this down in step 2 of the combine with a $5,000 total profit, but my overall gross P&L being $32.18. So $3,218, pretty much right there in line with the 40% maximum win that you can have in step 2 of the combine. So you can't make more than 40% in step 2 of the combine, and I can also only trade 3 contracts because of the scaling plan as well. But that is day 1 of the step 2 combine done. And if we look here, I had a couple interesting trades today actually. So this morning, it always happens like this. I got long thinking we're going to push up there. We had that pivot at the 16s. I got long. We pushed right there at the 108s, and then look at this. I got stopped out pretty much right at the bottom. Like I had my stop right below those candles. I should have known it. I should have known that they were going to do that. The 15-minute chart kind of showed it, whatever. But I ended up jumping back in there at the 105s and then getting this move all the way up here into the 30s. So there's taking profit there at 28. So from the 05s, we took profit at 28. We took profit there at 29. And then we took profit there at 35. So almost 30 handles here, my friends. Almost 30 handles there on that move. On the 15-minute chart, you can see the overall action from the 105 level all the way up here into the 30s. I talked about it so many times on the live stream, this idea of squeezing up, touching that pivot point at the 31s, and then getting over that pivot point, now pushing up there to the 40s. And from here at the 32s, pushed up there, 40.75. So locking in some great profit. We had problems, like I said, with my computer, but luckily, we still were able to get it done and make things happen today. So that was kind of the breakdown here on this move. And I'm happy with it. I'm fine with it. Monday morning, Mega Money Mondays, we're doing it live and making it happen. And, back to Hawaii, basically going from Orlando on Sunday, getting in last night, getting set up. I tried to turn my computer on. It blew up, had issues there, but still a overall great morning here. I'm starting the week strong. The market gave us opportunities. We had the pivot point breakouts. We had the overall setup. The 3-minute chart had a beautiful setup there for the reversal after hitting the highs of 40s. We pulled back to that 21 EMA, and then we rocketed to the moon one more time. So we're locking it down, and I'm going to be happy with that and just walk away in the profit and then go to the gym. I'm working on a new vlog today as well because, we're back in Hawaii. So why not make a new vlog to talk about kind of, hey, I'm back in Hawaii. Let's go. So today, locking it all in, top step 2 of the combine, day number 1. We're already hitting our top profit on the day. We can't make more than the $3,600 anyway, so we're pretty much right there where we want to be. We'll have 2 more days in step 2, and then we'll be done with the combine. And I showed you guys last week, we went through step 1 of the combine. We did what we needed to do, and now in step 2, we're doing it all live right on YouTube as well, showing you guys my entries, my exits, and all that fun stuff. So people are, skeptical, like, how does he do it? What does he do? How does he know? Well, come and tune in to the live stream. You'll see me talking about the moves and breaking it down beautifully this morning, getting that beautiful move up to those pivot points, and really just an overall easy trade. I felt pretty confident that we would reverse off of that pivot point up there to the 40s, and I talked about it on the live stream before we tuned out. I was like, hey, I honestly would just walk away at this point, just put my trade on, and I think you just walk away and come back, and you're going to be taking profit there in the 40s. And that's exactly what we did. So I'm happy with that. Monday morning, we're doing it. And here we are around the world, baby, live in Honolulu. Well, live in Hawaii today. Tomorrow morning, live again, 9:15 a.m. I'll see you guys then. We got CPI numbers coming out tomorrow. Big news, CPI, inflation, and all of that fun stuff. Let's go.